Hey Scott, yeah, well thanks for the testimonial offer, I appreciate that. But I'm looking at the site now, the stuff I don't know if you got this on the server or not. I'm looking at it at about 1600 pixels wide right now, so the box is still pushed over, and I can tell you exactly why. And that is in one of the styles here. The width, okay, you put a width on there, margin padding. The margin here, this has to, you want to get rid of the on the fonts.css for blocks 5. What you need is the top margin is fine. This needs to be auto. So the basically you basically need a something like that. Okay, fonts line 270. You can see that now that it lines up straight, right? If I get rid of it, it lines up to the right. So go to your box 5, change the margin. Don't give it a 180 pixel margin. Give it an auto for left and right. But other than that, it actually should do everything. It shouldn't have any, like if I squish it over here now, see how it lines up with the box 4? You know, maybe some padding is a little bit different, and that's a piece of cake to fix. You can just change the padding on it to something that's a little bit more, or but that's what I was trying to figure out. You were saying it was still aligned to the right. But I didn't quite see it. There we go. See how it's nice and centered there with that change? Anyways, I'm just having a quick follow-up, and I didn't see, because I saw it was aligned to the right on the desktop, I thought I didn't know if you noticed that or not, so I thought I'd point that out first, get that sorted out. But I wasn't sure what you were seeing on the mobile, because this is kind of what it would look like on mobile, and that's what I would expect it to look like. You shouldn't really see any alignment, but if you have that fonts.css like I was talking about, right, just trying to look here, right, and here, still, once again, we could probably get rid of the margin, so responsive line 144, get rid of that. Right? You don't really need that when it's down to one size like so. And that should probably do it. So at the big screen resolution, like this, refresh. See, it's off aligned to the left. And if we have a narrower, you see how it's aligned to the right? Yeah, so it depends on your resolution. Right? That's because you have that margin. So let's push it over here. And let's do the same thing. Let's do inspect with Firebug. And you see fonts line 270. You've got a margin. So that's the top, that's the right, that's the bottom, and that's the margin left. Well, it's a 180 pixel margin left, and that's why it's pushing things over. Okay? So what I want you to do is change the 180 to the word auto. Okay? And up here, for the second setting, change it to auto as well. So you can go 0 auto, 10 pixels auto, and then everything will line up center, and you never have to worry about the responsive after that, right? Except for the width, you would have to change to 100% for your responsive.css, right? So, which I think you've done that already. Yeah, width you've already set to 100%, so you're good to go there.